Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna do an unboxing video of the iWatch Series 4 that I bought for myself. I waited about almost 18 hours to unbox this because I wanted to do it with you guys. And just the story behind this iWatch, I ordered it from a third party from Germany. It took about 3 weeks to come here and it was a hassle. Just let me just tell you that I don't think I have the patience, and I don't think I'll ever repeat the process ever again. And the worst part is they had already opened it at customs, so the plastic wrap is already off, but I'm gonna unbox it for the first time with you guys. So first of all, I just want to tell you that I ordered the Series 4. It's the gold aluminum case, pink SensePod band. This version is the GPS plus cellular version of the watch. Unfortunately, the cellular version doesn't work in Africa. It only works in about 18 countries worldwide, which is very unfortunate because those are one of the features I would really love to have on my watch. But without further ado, let's get right into the unboxing. So first of all, I'm gonna start with the wrap. It's really pretty. It has these two flaps. I'm just gonna open that. Ooh, this looks really nice. I don't know if you can see. Let me just flip it up for you. So I have two boxes. This is the one with the watch inside, and this one has the band. So I'm just gonna put it here. So this is how the box looks like. It's quite pretty. I love the prints on it. Apple really did a good job with the boxing of this. I'm gonna put this aside. So we are gonna go ahead and unbox the watch first. So let's do this. Okay, doesn't seem to be opening. Let me just try opening. Okay. Ooh, so this is how it looks like. This is the watch, and then we have this. I think it has information on how to set up the watch. Yeah, so we're gonna put it aside. Then we have the charger for the watch. So this is the charger for the watch with the wrapping. And then we have the brick of the charger. We are gonna go ahead and look at this case. It says 40 millimeters on the case protector. So we are just gonna open it. Hopefully I don't let it drop. Wow, it looks so pretty. Look at this is how the back looks like, and this is how the front looks like. So this is the gold aluminum version. As you can see, they have different types. They have the stainless steel, ceramic, but I went for the gold aluminum version. And then this just the round red, the red round circle on the red round circle just says that this is a cellular version of the watch. So if it's not cellular, then it usually shows a black. This would have been black. The red part would have been black. So I'm gonna go ahead and open the band. We're gonna put this one aside. So I'm gonna go ahead and open the band. So I think it opens on this side. So there's this nice thing that you just kind of like pull out. So this is how it looks like. This is how it looks like. We have the medium to large band, and then this is the small and medium band. So I'm gonna be using the small and medium band because my wrist is very small. So this one I'll probably give to my aunt or something, but yeah. So let's go ahead and remove this one. It's actually nice and easy to remove. Then I'm gonna remove this as well. So now that we have the band, I'm just gonna put it on the watch. Hopefully I put it on the correct way. Let me not let this fall. So from what I checked on the reviews, okay, I think I'm gonna be wearing it on this side. So you just flip this in. Okay. Okay. I'm going to remove this. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pair my watch. Now I've paired my phone with my watch. The thing is, I had the previous version, the Series 2 version of the watch, so I had to first unpair the Series 2. I actually didn't like the Series 2 because I was not impressed, so I gave it to my aunt. And because I was coming from the Galaxy Gear 2, which was really an awesome watch. So coming from the Galaxy S2, Samsung Galaxy Gear 2 to the Series 2 of Apple watch was just like a downgrade for me. So I ended up giving the watch to my aunt. But I read a lot of reviews about the Series 4, and I hope that I'm really gonna love it this time around. So it says, your watch is ready. Press the crown to get started. I'm done with the pairing. The process took about 10 minutes or so. It wasn't that long. So I'm just gonna put on my watch now. It fits quite snug on my wrist. I really love it, as you can see. I don't know if you can see, but yeah. So this is it for the unboxing video. If you like my video, don't forget to comment and subscribe and hit the like button. And comment below whether you would get yourself a smartwatch. And if you do already have a smartwatch, let me know what exactly you love about it. So without further ado, see you in the next video. Bye.